How we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordanbikes, and check this little bad boy out. It's an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. Proper weapon of a bike of these. Basically a full-blown world superbike, but with some straight bars on them. Cracking machine. This one's a 2018 on a 68 plate, so it is a newer one with a full TFT colour display. It is done, let's have a look, 4,165 miles. It's got the Akrapovic exhaust on it. It's just an absolute weapon. The spec on these is nuts. So, what do you get? You get Brembo brakes, you get Ohlins suspension, you get the Akrapovic pipe, you get Brembo front mass cylinder, so you've got all that power, but you've got plenty of stopping power as well. You get launch control, you get pit lane limiter, cruise control, adjustable ABS, adjustable traction, you get lean angle sensitivity. If you just have a quick look, can you zoom in or not? See, oh no, you can't see. So basically, touch your brake, it tells you how much braking you're doing. Open the throttle up, it tells you how much throttle you're doing. You can link it to your phone as well via Bluetooth and have a look at this app, and it tells you how much you've been doing on it. Proper cool bike. Quick shifter, job lot, like I said, full-blown world superbike with straight bars. Oh, she sounds beautiful. We have warmed it up as well, just to let you know. But cracking machine. So if you do want it, pop yourself down to Jordanbikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much for watching.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.